Hello everyone. Welcome to the LookX AI tutorial video series, a dedicated AI tool built specifically for architects and designers. In episode 3, we will cover video generation. Open image to video and you can see the image generated in the previous episode. First, we need to select 1 to 3 camera motion options in the right-hand toolbar. There are many choices available, such as push in or push out, or even an explosion effect. Here, let's choose follow. If you have any specific requirements, you can enter a prompt. Now, let's start the generation directly. Currently, LookX supports the following video specifications: resolution, 480p and 1080p, duration, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Depending on the resolution and duration, a single video consumes a minimum of 20x credits and a maximum of 80. Alright, let's take a look at the result. LookX automatically moves the camera with the car as the tracking subject. It's very natural and smooth. After this, you can continue editing or share it to the community platform, download, or delete it. That's it for this episode. Next time, we will cover LookX's most exciting feature, real-time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.